Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine easily. This will be a full tutorial, but also very easy and simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is the Essenza Mini coffee machine, and if you want to reset it back to factory settings, it's really easy to do. Now when you reset it back to factory settings, basically the volume, the coffee volume that brews each time you press either of these buttons will go back to the factory settings, and then the auto off timer will go back to factory settings as well. Those are the things that you can change as far as I understand, as far as I know about this machine. So it's very easy to do. All that you want to do is turn the machine off, or make sure that it's off. So make sure it's plugged in, obviously, but turn it off. So I'm going to press both of these quickly to turn it off, just like that. And then you want to go to the Lungo button over here, and you want to press and hold down this button for about 5 seconds until you see the lights flash. So I'm going to press and hold it down for about 5 seconds until the lights flash. They're going to flash 3 times quickly, just like that, and you can release it, and now literally the machine has been reset to factory settings. It's literally that simple. Make sure that the machine is off. I'll do it one more time just so you know. Make sure that it is off, but it is obviously plugged in. You want it to be plugged in, and then press and hold down just the Lungo button alone. I'm pressing and holding it down for about 5 seconds. You're going to see the triple flash of both of the lights like that, and that means that it's been factory reset. And that's it. That is how to reset the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine easily, a full tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.